Welcome to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to sketch fancy grill or decorative grill. Choose sketch front plane, click OK. Now select corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle from origin point. OK. Again draw one rectangle. OK. Now choose a line. OK. Now select the whole geometry and select for construction. Click OK. Now choose center line and draw one horizontal line from midpoint to midpoint. OK. Now choose smart dimension. Select 160 mm vertical distance. Now click right plane, select more dimension and select horizontal ordinate. Select horizontal 0, this point. Now select same vertical ordinate. Now select this point. OK. Now choose spline and draw one structure from this point to here, then here, here. Now exit from spline. Now choose smart dimension and choose dimension, select right plane and choose vertical. Select this point 0, then this point 32 and this point the same as here, same as here. Now modify, select this one 25 mm, this one click 45 mm, 25 mm and 45 mm. Now the same as modify here 5 mm, 15 mm, 25 mm and the last one keep 35 mm. OK. Now select this spline, click this, unselect the dimension, select this, click vertical. Now the same as bottom, select this, click vertical. Go to feature, select revolved boss, select yes and click this axis, click OK. Now select front plane, sketch, select normal. Choose a line and draw one vertical line from origin point to top. OK. Now exit. Again choose front plane, sketch. Now select a line and draw one horizontal line from origin point. Now choose smart dimension. Select distance, length 55 mm. Now exit. Now go to surface, select shift surface, select this line, go to option, select twist along path with normal constant, choose turns, select one number, click OK. Now select both the bodies, go to tools and sketch tools and select intersection curve. Just exit from the sketch, select this, hide and select this body, hide. Now this is our (3D) sketch is ready. Now choose top plane, sketch, choose a center rectangle and draw one rectangle, this point bottom. Go to Smart Dimension, select 2.9 mm, okay, 2.9 mm, okay. Now exit from the sketch. Now go to feature, select Swift Boss, select this profile, then select this length, click OK. Now our fancy drill square rod is ready. Now we will make multiple. So do one thing, show, go to linear pattern, select circular pattern and choose body and select axis. Choose 6 number or 8 number, we will select 8 number, click OK. Now hide it, axis. Now select part plane and assign color, click OK. Now this is our fancy grill, or you can say decorative steel grill. See, it is looking very nice. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.